Let's go, Peter! Go, Peter! Let's go, baby! Let's go, Peter! Let's go! Let's go, Pete! Stronger than him, Peter. Pete! Come on. Put him down, Pete! There you go! Good job, Pete! He's like, down. I want to see him keep you down. Get up, Pete! Get him, Pete! Come on, get up. Good job, Peter! Let's go, baby. Let's go. He's stronger than him, Dad. Get up, Pete! He's stronger than him.
Yeah, but he's state champion. But he just fought with the intensity that he's capable of.
Hey, I got my whistle in my car. Hey, I don't want you on the mat. Once it's filming.
Come on, Peter! Look at him. Come on, baby.
Go to your mom and start saying, the Lord's with you. I see the angels.
Let's go, Peter! Whatever. Keep it up, Pete. Right?
Yeah. That was a deadlock.
There you go, Pete. Hold this kid up. Hold this kid up. He's just some football player.
I see Peter rip, hit slices with his
He's stronger than him.
Good job, Pete.
Better than it did.
If I do that, I don't have to go to AA anymore. I just come watch him wrestle every day.
Let's do it, Peter.
Don't let him go nowhere, Peter. Nowhere.
Don't let him up, Peter.
Yeah.
There you go, Peter. Don't let him up.
Let's go, Pete. Where's he going? Flip him, Pete. Flip him, Pete.
What was that?
Come on, you got it. He got a point.
I know.
Are you kidding me?
He broke his neck.
Hey,
All right, Peter, let it go.
let's go, baby.
Take care of it on the mat.
No, just one. Let's go. That was bullshit. I know. Can't change it.
Where you going? Get him, Peter!
I love this shit.
I loved it. Get him, Pete!
I'm gonna go home and beat him up.
There you go, Pete. It's too strong. Hold him, Pete. Let's go, Peter.
This gotta be close to the man.
Let's go, Peter.
He's trying.
Get him, Peter. Put him on his back.
Come on, Peter.
Get him, Pete. Get him, Pete.
Where the hell were you, Rip?
2.
Yeah, that's it. That's my boy.
Hang him up.
Good job,
Hang
Peter.
him up. This guy's got to take down so we can try to get a point coming up.
This is it.
Yeah.
Peter's too strong, man.
Let's go, Pete. Make it happen.
Yes.
I'll take it.